Can you hide who you follow on Twitter, X? Hi everyone, it's Sophia to assist you today without any delay. Let's jump right in. First, open X, log into your account, and then click on your profile on top left corner of your screen. Then click on Settings and Support. Then click on Settings and Privacy. After that, click on Privacy and Safety. Then go to Audience and Tagging. You won't be able to hide who you follow on X, but what you can do is, if you turn on Protect Your Post, you can simply only current followers and people you approve in the future will able to see your post. You can also protect your videos. If selected videos you post or send via DMs will not be downloadable. And the answer is no. This is how to hide who you follow on X, Twitter. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. I'm Sophia signing off until